Hi, I'm Luis with just88.com. Let's share the flavor with Mexico. Tonight, we're going to be making Albondigas soup. Leave a comment down below if you've ever had Albondigas soup. Let's get started.
Fresh chopped oregano. Fresh chopped parsley. Next I add a teaspoon of cumin as well as a half teaspoon of chili powder. Now I'm going to mix the meat mixture.
You put the egg in there?
Yes, I did.
So what motivated you to make this Albondigas soup?
I've never made Albondigas soup ever before, so I was up for the challenge of making it.
Challenge!
Challenge accepted.
Oi! It was an onion that came out.
Where'd it go?
On the floor. Wow.
Was I combining it to
Yes.
rigorously?
Yes.
Thank you. Start mixing balls now. Make it mixed well.
Okay, so do you want me to bring the dish to you?
Can you please?
Okay. Been recording this whole time. What size are these?
1 inch in diameter.
Are they like a golf ball, softball, baseball, ping pong ball, a marble?
Golf ball size. Golf ball size.
Golf ball size.
Ooh, small. Dude, the parsley needed to be chopped so fine and it's not.
But I like the color of green in there. I like it like that.
Forever, man.
Ándale pues. Ándale, ándale. Mucho, mucho, mucho. Ándale pues. Mucho, 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 mucho. I don't think I'm saying correctly, but yeah.
Rápido, rápido. I mean,
Oh, rápido.
I mean, hurry, hurry, hurry. Rapidly, rapidly.
Hey, we could teach how to speak Spanish as you make albondigas. What was it? Rápido?
Yes, it was a rápido.
How come you would say rápido versus like ándale pues?
You could say that too.
Oh. I know in Japanese would be hayaku, hayaku, hayaku. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, make those balls.
Oh my god, I'm running out of room.
Oh my goodness. Dun 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 dun. What's so funny, fool?
You.
These actually look pretty.
I do.
I like the before and after shot.
You look decorative.
See, it wouldn't be as decorative if you didn't add the green. So aren't you glad you have the green in here? It's a trick question.
I want to say no, but...
What the heck? You're supposed to say yes, dear.
You let me finish. I'm going to say, I want to say no, but I know the answers, man. The excess onions.
But the onions and the green makes it look good.
I guess we could use those onions for the broth.
Wait, so you have uncooked rice in here?
Yes.
And what else you got in the beef? Or
It's chopped
beef?
onions,
and chicken?
ground turkey, ground beef, cumin, chili powder, parsley, oregano.
I think you're missing something.
No.
You put egg in there.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. Egg.
Ugh, don't you know the wife is always right? I'm just kidding. Yeah, you put egg in there.
Yes.
You didn't put garlic though, did you?
No, that's for the broth.
Oh, the garlic is for the broth.
I'm gonna wash my hands now. Can you turn on the sink for me, please?
Yes.
Whenever you're
Yes, Thor.
That's enough meatballs.
So, are you on high heat, low heat,
Medium heat.
medium heat? Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh. How much is that?
I just eyeballed it.
I know, but
Let's just say
tablespoon.
a tablespoon and a half.
Okay. You wrote the dang recipe, didn't you?
I did.
Okay. What does the recipe say?
It's a tablespoon.
Okay, well then tablespoon it is.
Even though I just told you a tablespoon and a half.
You didn't even show me.
Chopped onions. Minced garlic. I'm going to be adding the carrots. The chopped carrots.
Okay. It's so clingy. Click, 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 click.
Well, if I had a wood. Chopped carrots. Sliced zucchini. Two cups. 1.5 cups.
Here we go. What is it?
Diced tomatoes, 1.5 cups. Two cups of beef broth. And 1 cup. Makes it 3. Give this a big stir though.
Now we're doing the tricky stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
This is where the wooden spoon comes in handy.
Oi. Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. First meatball going into the soup.
Okay. Try it. Woo-wee.
Next meatball.
So what's the trick of putting these in there? Are you gently putting in there, or like, what are you doing?
I'm slowly and gently placing the meatballs into the soup.
Oh, you don't throw it in there like a softball?
No.
Oh.
I gently place them.
I thought I could whack it in there. Let it splat everywhere.
Like so.
Oh.
So I'm trying the finished product. The vegetables are cooked to perfection though. It's savory, but at the same time it could use some more, maybe a pinch of salt and pepper and lemon.
Did you not put the lemon in?
No.
We forgot that?
It's actually, the lemon's there for each individual person to squeeze some onto their helping. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch the next video. Leave a comment down below if you've ever had Albondigas soup.
Make sure to subscribe and watch the next video.